Hello America, Mark Kelson here today, Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2019 Newmar Bay Star 3014. Come on in, let's take a look at it. It's a beautiful coach. So a 30-foot coach. It's on a bigger chassis, 22 5-inch tires coming in. The floor plan is just perfect. You have the couch across from the little Euro dinette with the extendo on there. TV placement right here is perfect for sitting, watching. Cabinetry in this, Newmar quality. Absolutely beautiful. Corian countertop in the kitchen. Little Moen faucet. You have a dual stainless steel sink. A lot of storage down underneath. Full extension drawers. Very solid. You can't hurt them. You do have the microwave convection up here. These are stainless steel. And also under this Corian top, you have a 3-burner stovetop. Right back here, you have the refrigerator freezer with the ice maker inside. Coming over here, I don't have the lights on, but we have the bathroom, big shower. Nice lighting in there anyway with that skylight and that fantastic vent up above. And this does have the door that pockets right there. Same thing in the back here. You got the pocket door. Coming to the back, features a queen-size bed. You have ventilation on both sides with the windows. You have the accent lighting up top. Over here, you have a big wardrobe area and a bank of drawers down underneath. Nice window in the back for viewing. 32-inch TV. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer in the cockpit. So coming up front, features flex steel seating. Nice big dashboard, another TV, cabinets. This does have automatic levelers over here. It is on the Ford chassis. Just all kinds of stuff up here. Your generator start, you have the overhead fans. You also have your entertainment system up here, which features a navigation system, the backup camera, everything that you would want in a coach. Also right over here, for the co-pilot, you have a nice little stand for navigation or for whatever, playing a game or something. This Bay Star, it's a 30-foot Bay Star, but it's on the larger chassis, so you got 22 5-inch tires. You also have full body paint featured in this coach. Side open baggage doors, which is very nice. Good storage in there. Good access to it where that heater's warm. That exhaust. Automatic awning up top. Coming back here, you're going to have a 5,500 watt Onan generator. Supply all your electrical needs. In the back, you got a nice storage area that extends to the other side, giving you a lot of room for those longer items. Coming to the back, you have the ladder. Get up on top of the roof, check it out, take care of your air conditioner, whatever you got to do. You also have your backup camera right there, your tow receptacle right here with your 7-way plug back there for your tow car. Around the side here, this unit is going to have the 50 amp cord service on this. I love getting at these doors from underneath here when they're the side baggage doors. It makes it so easy. You have more storage right there. There's your wash bay right there with a filter, outdoor shower, cleaning up your pets and that sort of thing. Your sewage dispensation right there. And also your winterization tube for the winter time. You do have your propane tank right there. 22.5 Alcoa wheels. This does feature also side cameras on this coach. Great looking coach. Very stable. Very beautiful short coach. If this one is of interest to you, please give me a call. My number 541-285-8791 or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.